Hey guys, hope you guys are having a great day. I'm on the second job of 3 today. We're doing some 3 areas for a client that found us on Google, I believe. And pretty warm out here. Now what we did already is we actually already pre-treated it and identified areas of concern, which they have 3 areas plus 3 areas of pet treatment. And let me show you what that looks like. So as you guys know, in my other videos, I do explain the benefits of cleaning carpet and also. You guys are having a good day. Nice day out there, as you can see. Again, we're doing 3 areas today with the Pet Pro package treatment, the pet urine. As you guys know, this is a construction grade carpet, polyester. We treated 3 areas. In all 3 areas of rooms, we give them a flat rate of $135 per room, but then of course $60 per room to clean it. As always, remember guys, you cannot clean urine, you have to treat it. You have to emulsify it, suspend it from the fiber yards. So responding very well. We actually got 2 more on the books today, plus 2 hardwood estimates. I'll tell you what guys, August is almost completely booked up for my hardwood team as well as on duck jobs. And we're about 3 weeks out for soft surfaces like carpet, upholstery, and area rugs. Just a great feeling, guys. We're busy as kids get ready to go back to school. Hope you guys are having a great day out there. We're actually neutralizing it and steaming it out. We're putting this house on the market. I think it'll be no problem to sell. We're getting their carpets back to the original state. After this, we have another carpet job of 8 areas and then a hardwood estimate to do. Again, it's just been a great month, guys. August is almost booked up. We even have scheduled out on early September. So if you guys need any of our services, make sure to reach out and get on our schedule. All right, guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, just got done finishing up, wrapped up. Let me show you the afterwork. Got my brochure and the free bottle of spout out I give them. Complimentary with any service over 500. Check it out guys. So much better. Looks amazing. Nice view. Again, these are the kind of homes that we serve. Just homes that want quality services. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. To protect their investment. As you guys know, your carpet and all your floors is the biggest investment in your home. So it's cheaper to maintain it and clean it than it is to replace it. It's like anything, guys. Like you take care of your car, take care of your floors and maintain them. Rule of thumb, you should get your carpets cleaned every 12 to 18 months. And that is according to the carpet mill and the EPA, to keep any warranty that you have valid, and also to keep your indoor air quality healthier and your breathe better. And then also, it's determines what's in your HVAC too. Remember, your HVAC, if it's in your HVAC, it's in your lungs. And of course we do that as well. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and see you in the next one.